Hello. So this is a finishes. Let's see here. So this is a finishes listing pages, and let me show you what are the issues here. So non-finished product has a pattern time, primary color, and fabric grade. So on finishes and on trims listing pages here, do not display these three attributes. Remove them. This is client existing site. As you can see here, we do not have those attributes, nor we can add the attributes, because here in the database file we do not have the attribute which we can use for that input. Maybe we can add here a color, but since there are not a lot of products, there is no need to display the filter attribute. Actually, we can add the color attribute, but in my opinion it's not needed. I will ask the client what to do with the. Maybe I already imported this. Let me check the export file and I will inform you right away. Okay, so now let's see. So for the finishes you have an attribute set. For the trims you also have an attribute set. So trims, and here you have finishes. And now let's see, did I created fabric grade? So here I notice one issue. This attribute has a default value and this is not good. So you have finished trim color. And now let's see what else do we have here. So finish, show description. Okay, now let's see the products. Color. So these are the finished products. Finished products, do they have so now let's see the honey pine product. So color could be used, this is a drop down attribute, and color could be used as a filter here, but it should not be a primary color but just a color, so it should work dynamically here. I don't know, did I set color attribute to be filterable, but let's see. It is filterable, but it's not showing, so it depends on the design team, so that's something that you have to work on. Okay, so now let's see what else do we have here. You see how these images are skewed. So for these categories, this is a good display. Image is set here in the center, aligned center vertically, and it is looking good. But these images are, for some reason, I don't know why, you see how it look, the image is looking. So something is wrong here. So for the finishes, you can list similar as for the fabrics, but for the fabrics you have here, I don't know how many tabs, and I think that you need only one tab, and that's a specification tab. So for finishes and trims, just display specification tab. Do not display disclaimer tab. There is no related products. But let's see, do we have related products here? No, so we don't have related products for the finishes and for the trims. So all you have to display here is, instead of disclaimer, the specification tab. Do not display, you are not displaying the second tab, so that's okay. So just display disclaimer tab, the specification tab, and on specification tab display this list. So that list should look like here, and display the color attribute below the description, and that's it. Use the color attribute to be as a filterable attribute for the listing pages, for the trims and for the finishes. So instead of primary color, display the color, remove pattern type, remove fabric grade, and that's it.